Good morning, students. Now in practice set 1.3 example number 4 is in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, BPC means P lies between B and C, AQC, Q is lies between A and C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB if AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12. Then find AC. Here first to prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB and then to find the value of AC. Solution in triangle CPA and triangle CQB. This is the figure. Two triangles. First triangle is triangle CPA and second triangle is triangle CQB. In these two triangles, first angle C is congruent to angle C because common angle, and here given that AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, measurement of angle APC is equal to 90 degree and also measurement angle BQC is also 90 degree. Angle APC is congruent to angle BQC. Each measure is 90 degree because these two angles are congruent. Each measure is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by using AA test for similarity. In AA test, only two angles are congruent. Then obviously third angles of the two triangles are congruent, and AA test triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, their sides are in proportion. Means AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. AP upon BQ. Their corresponding sides are similar. What is the reason? Corresponding side of similar triangle, and putting the value, what is the value of AP? Given AP is equal to 7, BQ is 8, AC to find. Therefore AC, write AC as it is, and value of BC is 12. After cross multiplication we get AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. 7 12 are, after calculation we get AC is equal to 10.5 units. Now the example number 5 is given in a trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR, AR is equal to 5 AP, AS is equal to 5 AQ, then prove that SR is equal to 5 PQ. Solution. This is the figure of trapezium PQRS. In this trapezium, given that AR is equal to 5 AP, therefore AR is equal to 5 AP. Here AP is multiplying, then dividing AP, we get AR upon AP is equal to 5 upon 1, and this is the, give the number first. Now next we given that AS is equal to 5 AQ. Therefore AS upon AQ is equal to again 5 upon 1 and give the number second. AR upon AP की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 upon 1 और AS upon AQ की वैल्यू भी क्या है? 5 upon 1 means AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ, and see the figure. Angle SAR and angle PAQ, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Now these two sides means these two sides AR upon AP and AS upon AQ are in proportion, and also angle PAQ and angle SAR, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. In triangle ASR and triangle AQP, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ from first and second, because AR upon AP की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 upon 1 और also AS upon AQ की वैल्यू भी क्या है? 5 upon 1. Therefore AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ, and angle SAR is congruent to angle QAP. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angle, and therefore triangle ASR is similar to triangle AQP by using SAS test of similarity. Therefore SR upon PQ is equal to AR upon AP. What is the reason? Corresponding side of similar triangle. SR upon PQ is equal to AR upon AP की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 upon 1. SR upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 1. SR PQ divide inside multiply. Therefore SR is equal to 5 PQ. And example number 6 is homework for you. Now the example number 7. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB in point T. prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE, and this is the figure here to prove that DE multiply BE is equal to CE multiply TE. Prove quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is a given thing. What is given? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know that the definition of parallelogram, segment AB, opposite side of parallelogram are parallel. Therefore, segment AB and segment CD, these two are the opposite sides and they are the parallel. Segment AB is parallel to segment CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. Segment AT is parallel to segment CD because B lies between A and T. B lies between A and T. Therefore, segment AT is parallel to segment CD. And on transversal TD, here transversal is TD, and therefore angle ATD is congruent to angle CDT. And what is the reason? Alternate angle theorem. In 9th standard we studied that alternate angle theorem. Therefore, angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE, and give the reason first. Angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE, and give the reason first, because B lies between A and T and E lies between T and D. In triangle BTE and triangle CDE, these two triangles, first triangle is BTE and second triangle CDE. Angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. Angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE from first. This is the first. Angle BTE and angle CDE are the congruent. See the figure. Angle BET, angle BET and angle CDE. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. Two angles are congruent, therefore these two triangle BTE and triangle CDE are similar by using AA test of similarity, and therefore these two angles are similar, therefore their sides are also in proportion. BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE, corresponding side of similar triangle. Therefore cross multiplication BE into DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Hence the proof. To prove DE into BE is equal to CE into TE, first to prove that triangle BT and triangle CDE are the similar triangle, and then after writing the reason corresponding side of similar triangle, we get DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Example number 8. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. Here, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P or in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Means, to prove that here triangle APB is similar to triangle CDP, and given things are segment AC and segment BD intersect at point P, and another thing is given AP upon CP. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Proof. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, this is given things. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP given. And angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. These two angles are vertically opposite angle, and therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by using SAS test for similarity. Example number 10. In the figure, in a triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle ABAC is equal to angle ADC. And prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. This is the figure, and the solution is in triangle ABC and triangle DAC. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC, what is given things? Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. These two, angle A and angle D, are congruent. This is given. And next, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle C is common angle, means angle BCA is congruent to angle ACD, and what is the reason? Common angle. Means this first angle is congruent and also second angle is congruent. Therefore, by using AA test of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. These two angles are similar. Therefore, their sides are in proportion. Means which sides? CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. Cross multiplication CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. Therefore, CA square is equal to CB into CD. Here complete solution and also complete your practice set 1.3. To solve practice set, most of examples are depend on AA test of similarity and SAS test of similarity. Therefore, remember AA test. Example for homework for you. Example is D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, and to show that AC square is equal to BC into DC, and this is the example for 3 marks. Now the theorem, next theorem of areas of similar triangle. In second video we see the area of triangle, and in this video we see theorem of areas of similar triangle. And theorem statement is, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding side. Means here to require two triangles, and to prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding side. First upon see the figure. First figure is triangle ABC and second is triangle PQR. In triangle ABC there are three sides, AB, AC and BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. And in triangle PQR, three sides, PQ, PR and QR. And PS is perpendicular to QR. Means here to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Means AB की corresponding side कौन सी है? PQ. BC की corresponding side QR and AC की corresponding side PR. Means to prove that here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Therefore, proof given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangle and AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. If AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore angle ADC is 90 degree and also PS is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, measurement of angle PSR is also 90 degree, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Means AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. And what is the reason? Corresponding side of similar triangle. And to prove, what is to prove? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. These all are the corresponding side of similar triangle. First upon proof. In triangle ABC, ratio of area of these two triangle, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. In first video, we see that the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their base and corresponding height. In triangle ABC, what is the base? BC is the base, and what is the height? AD is the height. Similarly, in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. Therefore, their ratios are the product of their corresponding base and height. Separating BC into AD upon QR into PS, write BC upon QR separate, multiply AD upon PS and give the number first. In triangle ABD, triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B is congruent to angle Q, given equal angle, and this is the given. Next, angle ADB and angle PSQ, 90 degree. What is the reason? AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, according to AA test, angle ABD and angle PQS are similar by using AA test. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, their sides are in proportion, means AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. According to AA test, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Therefore, AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ and give the number second. But triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion from first, second and third. Means in first, what is the given? BC upon QR into AD upon PS. This is the first. And second, AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. And third, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Means AB upon PQ की वैल्यू क्या है? AD upon PS. But here AB upon BQ की वैल्यू क्या है? BC upon QR. Means BC upon, instead of AD upon PS, to write directly BC upon QR. Therefore, after putting the value of second and third in first, we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. This is the first. And AD upon PS की वैल्यू क्या है? AD upon PS की वैल्यू क्या है? AB upon PQ. But in second, AB upon PQ की वैल्यू क्या है? BC upon QR. Therefore, AD upon PS की वैल्यू क्या है? BC upon QR. After putting the value BC upon QR into BC upon QR is equal to BC square upon QR square, n is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square, because AB, BC and AC or QR, PQ and PR are the corresponding side of similar triangle, and therefore directly writing area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Hence the proof. Thank you.